Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store not opening. So guys, if you have Android phone and want to open your Play Store to downloading games or apps and your Play Store is not working or not opening, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, firstly now I am going to open my Play Store and check that what kind of problem has been occurred. So guys, you can see here. And guys, now you can see app Play Store is not opening. So guys, simply you need to open your settings first and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget, and after this you need to reconnect it again with your phone, and after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the second is if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings again. And guys, after this you need to scroll down, and here you need to find app management, and guys, after this you need to click on app list, and guys, here you need to find Google Play Store. So guys, now you can see here I have find it, Google Play Store. Simply you need to click on it, and guys, after this you need to click on storage and cache. So guys, firstly you need to click on clear cache, and clear storage you need to click on OK. And guys, now you can see my data has been cleared. And guys, after this you need to open your Play Store again and wait for few seconds. So wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see my Play Store has been successfully opened in my Android phone. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to open your Play Store smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.